The most important thing during your doctorate at Leuphana is your dissertation, so your individual research project. This really is the focus of attention, but what we offer you in addition are the doctoral courses.
In the doctoral courses you work together with other doctoral students from other fields, also in groups, and you can kind of explore the differences between the different fields, but also the similarities from a methodological point of view.
What I liked and why I decided for Leuphana is that you have this interdisciplinary approach. And moreover, that I could really choose my own research field and the professors tried to support me on my own way.
I think one thing that is special at Leuphana is that we actually have doctoral research group for all, and not just for those that are externally funded. And then the research group is organized a little bit like a sounding board, which means you receive feedback on your preliminary ideas. And the focus is truly not on presenting your ideas, but really on discussing, learning and feedback.
So I think during your doctoral studies there are a lot of different barriers that you need to overcome. Because first of all, sometimes you have to learn how to research and write academically. And I think if you struggle during your PhD, which is totally normal, then the support program can help you to also overcome these more socially related barriers, for example.
There is this support structure you have at your institute with your professor where you really work on your scientific work, where you work on your papers, where you get feedback. Then you have the classes where you really also meet other PhD students, you exchange with students and professors from other faculties, so you really get into an exchange and collaboration. And then there are support structures provided by the graduate school, and I think those are, for example, the financing options where you can go abroad, where you can visit conferences, and I think those are really easy mechanisms to get financing for the events you want to attend to.
So if you want to go to a conference and present your research project there, which is highly recommended actually, you can get funds and money from the graduate school in order to realize this project. And the same goes if you want to do a stay abroad at another university, or if you want to organize a conference here at Leuphana.
At the end of the semester we organize the EMI conference day, and then students have the chance to present their papers like in a 20 minutes presentation, and then we have a discussion and then really try to reflect within the audience how can we actually improve these papers to make it publishable pieces.
So I think because Leuphana is not the biggest university, it really allows you to connect with a lot of different researchers from your field, but also from different fields. Also, it's a super international university. The location is also pretty great.
Whether it's professors, whether it's the counseling, they don't drive you into one direction and say you have to pursue this academic career, but it's more like they see, okay, what is your interest and how can we support you on this way?
For me as a professor, it's great fun to teach doctoral students because they are very inspiring, they are pushing new research ideas. I have the chance to guide them on their research journey because it's like a research adventure.